harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced robotics. Revival AI has redefined the future of Bible design and manufacturing. Our revolutionary system allows everyday Christians to effortlessly design and print individual, high-quality, sewn Bibles. From content, format, and version to custom covers, we're giving Christians the power to design a Bible that's personalized beyond any expectation. Using advanced robotics, lasers, and ultrasonic waves, each Bible will be precision crafted and assembled in the USA. Through our licensing partnerships and white label opportunities, Revival AI is bringing custom Bible technology to all the major evangelical translations. With our fully functional custom Bible software and the design to our proprietary finishing solution in hand, we are ready to launch this revolutionary endeavor. To fund our automated facility in North Texas, we are seeking small and large investors through our SEC-regulated offering. It's time for Revival. For as little as $100, become an owner of a tech company driven by the Great Commission. Learn more at revivalai.com.